Okay, welcome back to part 2 of my slime videos. As I said, this one's called Frog Slime, same colour as the other green slime, but two different names. And I think they're two different shades of green. Yeah, see if we can make a crunch sound in there somewhere. Obviously you can see some of the little bits in there. Oh, got a bit of a crunch there. Put you away in the pot. Getting a few countries while it's going back in the pot. I think these need to go in the fridge once they've all been put away. This nice pink one is called Strawberry Slime. Just wipe away the areas before we take it out of the box. Put my slime ball there for now. Here are the sprinkles for strawberry slime, sorry. Oh. And we're going to put foam cubes in. And last but not least, tiny little strawberry. See if we can hear a crunch before I take it out of the pot. Don't have a crunch yet, but we might do once it's out of the pot. Oh, this one smells very nice.